I'm going to be reviewing Simplicity 8051. I did view B, and I absolutely love this dress. I think it's so adorable. I filmed the entire process except for a couple hours, sped up to like a minute and a half that I'm going to put on the end of this video. So if you want to watch that, stick around. I highly recommend this pattern. It's a really cute pinup style dress that I think is flattering on any body type. For my fabric, I used a cotton print. It doesn't have any stretch in it. It was from my stash. I have enough of it to make like a little matching one for my daughter, which I'm really excited about. And I just stuck exactly to the pattern. I didn't make any alterations to the pattern on it. Next time I make this dress, I would like to use a lighter fabric that has a little bit of a stretch to it, especially for the underarm area. It's very flattering if you've got like a little bit of extra fat right here. But on the flip side of that, if it doesn't have any stretch, it's a little bit uncomfortable when you move your arms around because it does go so far over. I made a size 18. I am not a size 18. According to the measurements, I'm more of a size 22. So this part right here is very tight on me. I also just had a baby like almost 5 months ago. I have not lost a lot of my baby weight yet, so I'm still pretty thick around the middle here, but I'm going to lose the weight, so I'm not stressing about it being so tight on me. But the bust area was too large and I had to take it in. Yeah, if you are nursing a baby, I highly recommend this because really easy boob access, which is what you want. I love this dress because I can nurse my baby in it and I can also still feel very pretty and feminine. If you are not nursing a baby, you might just want to go ahead and sew that shut because it can be very revealing. You could possibly fall out of your dress. The instructions were super easy to follow. I didn't have any issues. There was a couple times I had to go back and reread exactly what they wanted me to do, but they were clear and I feel like they covered everything that they needed to cover in order to make this dress. The thing I love the most about this dress is that it's a circle skirt and you can spin in it. If you made it out of a lighter fabric, I feel like you would definitely want to wear a small petticoat underneath it. If you're making it with a heavier fabric like I did, it's okay without a skirt, without a petticoat. It would look nice with one, but it might also be too much. Like it's fine to wear this as just a sundress without a petticoat because the fabric is thicker. Would I sew this dress again? Yes, I will sew this dress again. I want to do view A once I don't have a baby at home that's nursing, and I want to do view B with the lighter fabric and turn it into a halter top. So in order to do that, I'm just going to make these straps a little bit longer, and with a lighter interfacing, it'll be easy to just tie it right at the top. If I have one recommendation, if you're going to make this dress, once you pin your straps where you want them to be, pin the center part because it's going to keep the straps where you want them after you're sewing and when you're attaching the dress, and otherwise they can kind of get twisted around and it gets a little confusing. I don't like the cross because it was hard to get the angle right. I had to take these in, which I did not do a proper job. Also, my zipper is really wonky. I'm actually really embarrassed about my zippers. Pretty much every zipper I've ever put in, I'm a little bit embarrassed because I've never taken the time to actually sit down and to learn how to do it properly because I taught myself how to sew. I also made this dress over one weekend. I started on Friday and we had a zoo trip on Monday and I really wanted to wear it to the aquarium. So it's kind of a rush job. I think there's two kinds of people that sew in this world. There are people that are meticulous about details, and then there are people that just want to get the dress done. I fall into the category of just get it done. So there are lots of mistakes on this dress because I was also on a timeline. So don't do it over a weekend. Take the time to actually do the dress right, and it's so flattering and you will wear it, and it's a great dress to add to your wardrobe. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I really hope you enjoyed what I had to say, and if you're going to do this pattern, I really hope you do it. And if you do it, come find this post and let me know.